welcome to my channel. It is Steam Series. So this, as you can see, is a home page. Like I showed you in my previous video about where you can see all the blocks you'll need to make your own code and where you can make it. So just click on Create and it'll take you to this page. In my previous video, I showed some motion all the way to control. Now I want to show you till sensing to making your own blocks. Whoa, that's crazy. So let's take out the first block and put it out. Go to control, take out forever, and if then block. Go all the way to motion and drag out and turn 15 degrees. Then an event when green flag clicked. Now it's time to arrange them together. So take this, the sensing one, and drag it till you see a white outline on the empty space and sit right inside. Turn 15 degrees and put it in between this. So this and this. Put it forever outside that. And when green flag clicked. Remember, this block should always be at the top. Okay, so let's click the green flag and see what happens. Go! Turn. Oh yay, moving. Whee! I think I'm going to add a different block. How about move 10 steps? That should be nice. I sort of want to get him back on his feet. So just click on that and get him back on his feet. Yay! Shoo, I don't need you anymore. Okay, move 10 steps. Let's see this. Whee! He's walking. Okay, come back. Come back. Don't go. Grab him by the tail. Whee! Run, 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 run. Whee! Ooh. Okay, what? Stop going that way. Come back. Got him by the tail again. Okay. Next, let's see the next one. If touching the color. Whoa! Distance to mouse pointer? That's really cool. Okay, so there are lots of things over here. You can explore that by yourself. Okay, operators. So these tell if you need more of it, if there's more of something, increase the score, or if there's less of it, decrease the score, or something like that. So these are the plus and minuses, and these are the operators. Variable. Yeah, you can make your own variable too. Let's see. I think I would make a variable called, wait one second, score. Score. Okay. Yay! Congratulations! You made your first variable. Okay, let's make it do something with the variable. Okay, so go right here. So it's like sort of looks like a face of a cat with a plus sign beside it. Click on it and use a magnifying glass. It says choose a sprite. Click on it and there you go. You can choose a sprite. What should I choose? What should I choose? Is there a rat anywhere? Mouse. Yay. You know what? Is there a different one? Nope, it's mouse. Okay, let's use this. how about making it smaller? So, it says size right there, and you can put in another size. I'm choosing 50. That looks like a decent size. Oh, wait, the code. The code. The cat. The code. Stop that code. Good, stopped. Okay, so let's use the variables. But don't use the mouse yet. Use the cat. Okay, let's see this. Okay, let's take out this one. It says set score to 0 and event when green flag clicked. Control forever block. Nope, actually you don't need it. Oopsie. Okay, so that's it. Then, here comes the tricky part. Go to events, green flag clicked. If touching mouse 1, then, let's choose this. No. I think this code is the wrong sprite. So, all you have to do is, see it says backpack right there. You can just click on that and bring the code right down. And yay, you got the code. Now go to mouse and drag that out and put it out. So now you got your code there without needing to make it all over again. Okay, so let's put that out. Put that in there too. Mouse. And drag it out. Place. Come on. Oh, there it is. No, I made too many. Okay, so instead of mouse, choose sprite 1. So you can see the name right underneath your sprite. So sprite 1. If touching sprite 1, then, I think I want it to hide. Okay. And guess what? All you need to do now is add forever block. Forever. Or instead you can put a repeat 10 times, or you can make it repeat 50 times. And then you can make the game end. Okay. Now, I don't think I want to do this because it's going to be quite tough. So I'm going to delete all of this. And let's see. Take out event and bring out 4 of these. Change it to up, down, right, and left. Take out motion and change X 10. That you only have to choose X for the right and left. But be careful and change Y by 10 for the up and down. Oh no. What is going on? Change Y by 10. Good. Now, let's try it out. Okay. What's going on? Okay. So, whenever you're doing the left arrow, be sure to add a minus sign before you write the number. And same thing for down. Okay, let's try it out. Yay, it works. Yay, our game works. Okay, now, finally, just finally, a few more codes, and you will make your own game. Okay, hide. So right after that, you're gonna have to choose variables and change score by 1. Or how about 2? I think I'm gonna choose 2. So stop, clicked. Oh yeah, forgot one thing. Go back to looks and get the show one out. And now you're done. Yay! Yum. 2 points. And put the show back in. Or you can make it wait 1 second. How about 2 seconds? Okay. Stop. Go. Go. Yay, yummy. Yay, yummy, yummy. Yummy! And if you got bored of it, coming back to the same spot, go back to motion and drag out to go to a random spot. Oh, yay! Yummy! I want to get down there. I want it. Yum. Yum. Ooh, back down there. Is it trying to hide from me? I'm a sneaky cat. Crawled. Get the mouse. Get the mouse. Get the mouse. And if you don't want it to stay in the same position, take out the block and bring out this one. So, but all you have to do now is switch the order. Show and then glide to random position. Okay. Go. There you are. Where'd it go? Oh. Yay! You made your own game. So to stop, I'm just going to stop it. Now, operators, variables, and your blocks. Okay, blocks. You can name your own block. So, I don't know. I'm going to name a block. Dance. And, okay. You made your dance block. And if you want to delete it, just drag it over there. Make a new block. Okay. I'm going to take that and put it on the top when you want to make your character do anything you want. Okay. I got bored of catching a mouse now. So delete the mouse and choose a sprite. A box. How about that? Yeah, no, not good. Now, let's make your own background. Okay, choose a backdrop. What would I want? Where would a cat want to stay? Let's search. Oh, you just used that indoors. Whoa, that was pretty easy. Okay, so a cat will always want to stay indoors. Fantasy? No. Music? Why would a cat be at a theater or anywhere else? Sports? I bet that cat does not like to get up. I bet it likes sleeping a lot. Indoors? Yeah, this is the right one. Ooh, but that cat would like a party. Yay, it's at a party! Woohoo! Yay! So, guess that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. And if you haven't, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye-bye!